Which Little Italy nice restaurants are truly unique? Imagine walking through a neighborhood filled with history, aroma, and vibrant flavors. Little Italy in New York City is just that, but some restaurants stand out for their special qualities. Let's explore what makes certain spots truly one of a kind. First, there is Torrisi. It's just outside Little Italy in Nolita but captures the neighborhood's spirit perfectly. This restaurant is in the historic Puck Building and offers a mix of classic Italian dishes with a modern twist. You might find traditional spaghetti with lemon-matriciana, alongside creative options like chopped liver with Manischewitz jelly. The atmosphere is lively, with a touch of elegance, and the service is formal yet friendly. It's a place where heritage meets contemporary style. Next is Siri's Pizza on Mott Street. This small spot is all about pizza done right. The crust is blistered and baguette-inspired, giving it a unique crunch. Toppings are upscale, including pancetta, burrata cheese, and creme fraiche. The chefs behind Siri's have experience from top restaurants like 11 Madison Park, so they elevate the simple slice into something special. It's so popular that you might wait a little while for a table, but that just shows how good the pizza is. Ferrara Bakery and Cafe is a true historic landmark. Since the 1890s, it has been serving traditional Italian pastries and desserts. Their cannoli, tiramisu, and biscotti are recipes passed down through generations. Walking into Ferrara feels like stepping into a piece of Italian-American history. Its long-standing presence and authentic treats make it a must-visit for anyone wanting a taste of tradition. Rubirosa is known for its thin-crust pizza and classic Italian-American dishes. The cozy vibe makes it perfect for a casual night out. They use high-quality ingredients, and their menu balances comfort food with a refined touch. Whether you want a simple margarita or a more elaborate pie, Rubirosa offers a satisfying experience that keeps both locals and visitors coming back. Then there is Pasquale Jones, which offers a modern take on Italian cuisine. It features wood-fired dishes and seasonal ingredients, giving each plate a fresh flavor. The design is contemporary, and the inventive menu makes it stand apart from more traditional spots. It's a great choice if you want to try something new within or near Little Italy. Finally, Peasant focuses on rustic Italian cooking. Their hearty, simple dishes are made from quality ingredients and served in a warm, inviting space. It's a place where you can enjoy traditional recipes with a comforting atmosphere. In the end, these restaurants are special because they combine authentic Italian flavors with unique features. Whether it's historic significance, creative menus, or exceptional craftsmanship, each one offers a memorable dining experience that reflects the neighborhood's rich food scene.